Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm so excited about this one because it is a DVD box set that I've been wanting to have for since the series came out. Now, yes, these are Harry Styles stickers that my sister-in-law got me for my birthday or Christmas 2 years ago, I think. And it's blocking my address because you don't need to know that. So we're just gonna go right into the unboxing because I'm so excited, and I'm gonna watch the DVDs tonight because I've been trying to watch the series in HD since it came out. GMMTV didn't have the licensing to release it on YouTube, I think, or release it to America, which I'm from America, and so I couldn't watch it. And I even bought a VPN so I could watch it, and I did get to watch it, but very blurry, and I didn't like that. So I am so excited that I got this, and I'm just absolutely yes. So I got this from We Love BL, or We BL, oh, I forget. I think it's We Love BL, I think. Not sponsored at all. That's where I found it, and I didn't want to buy it from GMMTV and wait 2 weeks when I literally ordered this on Sunday or Tuesday, and I got it today on Friday. So I was like, absolutely yes. So we're gonna unbox this, and I'm so excited. Cherry Magic DVD set, the GMMTV Thai version. So let me grab some scissors. Hold on. So we have Cherry Magic 30 Years of Virginity turns you into a wizard. We're gonna zoom in a little bit. This is the Thai version, the GMMTV version. I did watch the Japanese version. I collect the mangas for it, so this is a Japanese version, and I have up to volume 12, but 13 got released, so I'm gonna buy that, obviously. And it's very cute. It's not raunchy or racy at all. And so obviously when GMMTV was like, we're gonna do an adaptation to it for Thailand, I was like, yes. Even better, Tenu. And if you've seen my past video, Tenu is my top ship that I am absolutely obsessed with since 2019. So, when they said, hey, we're gonna have you get DV set, I said, absolutely. Obviously, I couldn't afford it because your girl was broke. Still am. But I found this, had to buy it, bought it. I'm gonna unwrap it, and then we're gonna get right into it. GMMTV. Here it is unwrapped. It is a little dent right here in the corner, but that is perfectly fine. It's gonna go on a shelf, obviously. But here's the front. So cute. I love the colors. Here's the back. I love this. Got it from GMMTV 15 plus. That's how much it is in baht, but I'll put right here what I bought in USD. Oh, what does that say? TV box set. It's in Thai. Okay, yeah. 9 DVDs. GMMTV September 2024, and it's now February 2025. So, and it has a little tab. Ooh, it has a little tab here to pull out. So, I'm gonna pull it out. Stop it. Okay. So, here it is here. Oh my goodness. That, we're gonna put this to the side and just focus on this. Ooh, what is this? A little line. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. What is this? Stop! Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. And then that's what it says there. Oh, in Japanese and Thai and in English. Oh, absolutely. Ooh. Oh, it just goes up. Does it come out? It probably does, but I don't know how to do that. Okay. Tenu! If only these were real. Oh, if they were real signatures, absolutely. This, pick it up. Okay, there's more on the bottom, so we're just gonna take it one at a time. Oh, so you have this here, Tenu, down the back. I love this one. Has a little, oh, it has some, don't know if that's part of it, but it has some like splotting. I don't know, but this one's so cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Also, Junior, yes. Let's get those 3. She's gonna be put to the side. Oh, so you have the book, which we'll flip through in a minute. That was the book. Oh my goodness, so cute. Take this out. We have the DVDs. Okay. So the DVDs here, 7 discs. Okay. Oh. Disc 1. And so this one. And it looks like that. Okay. Oh, these are gonna fall. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, how am I supposed to? Okay. Okay, here we go. Disc 2 and 3. So freaking cute. 3. Oh, you get a little behind the scenes. Ah, it's gonna fall. Y'all, this is a struggle. Okay, not my favorite CD holder thing at all. At all. Okay. So look at, there's that. Okay, cute, I guess. And then postcards. Girl, this is hefty. And photo cards. Okay. We love that. Look at the photo cards first. Absolutely. Absolutely. And they connect. Stop. Look at that. If I can do it. There we go. So freaking cute. Oh, amazing. We have these. This is all just so freaking cute. That's everything, I believe. Yeah, that's everything. Okay. I am so happy that I finally have this box set and it's gonna go perfectly with my collection, and I think I'm just gonna start collecting Tenu because yes, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.